All right, everybody, we're gonna try and split some elm up on this splitter. We had our 2-year-old down here the other day. Way too much commotion going on, so I had to abandon the split. So it was pretty rough with the 4-way trying to get through it. The stringy old crap, I just couldn't get through it. So we're gonna try it again. I'm down there by myself today, so I gotta get him later. I'm going to try and bust up a few blocks. I'm going to take the 4-way off, run just the regular wedge, just the single wedge, and see if we can't get through a few of these blocks. So we'll see what happens here. Okay, so I'm not a Morgan. We've all seen outdoor with the Morgans whenever they run their 22 ton splitter. This is a 28 Pro, no hydraulic wedge on it. To me, it's not a big deal. I don't go through enough wood to really worry about a hydraulic wedge. But that's some nasty wood right there, so that's the only reason I took it off. And excellent job, hands down. So the other day it was kind of binding up on the four-way. It was so stringy, it just wasn't wanting to really push through too good. So and our 2-year-old was down here, and I was too worried about him running around, and he had already smashed his hand on the trailer trying to help us load wood. So but anyway, we got a lot more wood to split this winter, and this is the 28 Pro, and it's got the manual wedge on it. So like I say, the hydraulic is not a big deal to me. This thing blows through wood like crazy. Actually kind of handy probably having the manual wedge, because it leaves well, when you go through, it kind of leaves kind of slithers, I guess you could say, is wood. And we run a gasification wood boiler, so it's going to be handy, I believe, to put that slither piece, you know, kind of lower down there to kind of keep the coals going. And also we do have a fireplace in the house, so it's always good to have small kindling when you're getting the fireplace going. So if you burn wood, you know. So anyway, we're gonna split a little bit more wood, and y'all can watch it. I don't know if anybody's interested in buying one of these, but Chris makes a heck of a project up there, product, and like I say, once again, hands down to him, great quality. Haven't had a problem with it. Got it behind a Rhino right now. I pull it behind a little garden tractor. I've pulled it behind a T-Rex. I've pulled it behind a pickup. Pull's good, so the balance is good on the splitter. So moving it around in the shop, or if you're out and about, it's not that bad. It's 1,200 pounds. So, but I'm gonna put a little hyperlapse on here, and we're gonna try and blow through some more wood. And I got to turn around, head to the daycare, and pick up Press and see what he's got to say this afternoon. So here we go.